In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop paragraphs jumping into a new page in Word. You're formatting a critical document in Word, you type a single new line, and suddenly an entire multi-line paragraph completely abandons the bottom of the page and flies over to the next one. It leaves behind an ugly, massive white gap that destroys your layout's aesthetics. And today, we are shutting down Word's aggressive auto-pagination rules to anchor your text exactly where it belongs. This annoying jump happens because Word's layout engine enforces hidden formatting rules designed to keep text blocks bound together. If a paragraph is too long to fit perfectly, Word panics and shifts the entire block downstream. Just click anywhere inside the paragraph that jump pages. You can right-click the text and select paragraph right over here in the context menu to launch the advanced layout window. Then, at the top of the box, skip the defaults and click on the Line and Page Breaks tab right here on the right side. And to look at the pagination section, you will likely see one of two boxes checked. This forces the current paragraph to always stay on the same page as the block right below it, and the page breaks before. This forcefully commands the specific paragraph to always start a brand new page. Uncheck both, keep with text and page break before or and after that. Just click on OK. And then your text will instantly snap back to fill the empty white space or gap on the previous page. If your text keeps jumping even after unchecking these boxes, Word's default structural sample styles are corrupted. Instead of fixing paragraphs, let's deploy a global patch. Move to the Home ribbon right here, where I am, and look inside the Styles Gallery container, which is right here. Right-click on the style box labeled Normal and select Modify. Then, click the Format drop-down at the bottom left corner and select Paragraph here. Format and then Pin Paragraph. Slide back over to the Line and Page Breaks tab. Ensure that the Window/Orphan control is checked. This safely keeps single lines from getting stranded, and make sure to keep with next and keep lines together off. So uncheck them and click OK twice. And in this window, that is the way your page structure is now completely stabilized. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.